Hi, today I'm going to be looking at the front Matilda box. So this is a monthly subscription box aimed at children. So just going off the side, it says, Aunt Matilda is the quintessential, wacky, well-travelled, generous aunt. Born in simpler times and deriving joy from the small things, she sends gorgeous, carefully curated monthly parcels to the kids, full of artisan pieces, wooden toys, books, musical instruments and healthy foods. So this is sort of aimed at kids to get them, I guess, turning off devices and doing something a bit hands-on. So we've got the box here. So we've got some ants and leaf, and there is some cherry blossoms on there. And this is what I see when I open it up. So paper. So I've got, I think that might be a calligraphy pen. There's a little note on there. So sushi noodles and rice in winter, snow and ice. Islands in the sea. What country could I be? So I'm going to open this one up. This is just some plain paper there. So I'm colouring as much as I can because it looks like then a calligraphy pen and some paper there. That there. There we go. Yes, I was right. So, my dearest children, I am so thrilled to send you this box of treasures from a faraway land, a country called Japan. Feel free to look through the box whilst reading this letter and we can discover the contents together. So on there, it's got, so I think 6 different little activities that you are going to be doing. Okay, so the first thing I can see is some origami paper. I did notice on the back that there is some origami instructions. So that would be one of the activities there, looking at making some origami. Back there. Just a beautiful paper there. The next thing I can see is a little plastic box container. Oh, so there we go. So this says this is a special container. So instead of plastic spoons and forks that you throw away, this is then something that you can take with you, and it is made from wheat straw. This is an agricultural waste product in your home. Compost bin will decompose in 6 months. So there's a little recipe in there for something you can do. So it's a Japanese meal. And in the box we've got a spoon, a fork, and of course some chopsticks. That's a really great idea. That's something you can chuck in the bag and bring with you along whenever you're going out. Next we've got some Mount Fuji snow. So this is then done, so they've sent you, Aunt Matilda has sent you some snow from the top of Mount Fuji. And it's not real snow, it's a bit of fun. So this is something you can pour onto a plate or tray and then make a little snowman, or create a little mini snow city by using some toys you already have, like cars and people. That's really cool. Some snow in there. Next thing I'm pulling out, so I can see a little origami crane there. That's really cute. Next thing I can see is a little dragonfly. So, sorry, oh here we go. So the first thing I learnt when I arrived in Japan is that it wasn't always called Nippon. Sorry, the first thing I learned when I arrived in Japan, Nippon in Japanese, that it always wasn't called Nippon. In ancient times it was called Akitsushima, I hope I'm saying that right, which means the Dragon Isles. So there we go, it's got a little bamboo dragonfly there, so that's what that's there for. So I think this is one of those ones that balance on your finger. That's really cool as well. And so this is a little game, I think called Kendama. So this means, Kendama means sword and board. So this is one of those ones that you do that on there. So it's a traditional Japanese skill toy made of wood, and it consists of 3 cups and a spike connected to the ball with string. There we go. I'm not too sure how you're supposed to play this. I gather you sort of throw it up and try and catch it in there. I can't really see the instructions, but that looks really cool. that'll be another little great activity for the kids. And that seems to be everything in the box there. Yeah, so this is definitely a really fun box. I really like this one as well. There's been some really great kids box, but yeah, this is definitely one that I think I will subscribe to or keep getting. Yeah, definitely something for the kids to do, get them off the TV and doing something a little bit active, and also learning about different countries, which I think is really great. So yeah, I think definitely I would recommend from Matilda, so go have a look at it, and yeah, subscribe. It's a great box.